Turkmenistan proposes drafting a General Assembly resolution entitled Strengthening Regional and International Cooperation Aimed at Ensuring Peace, Stability and Sustainable Development in the Central Asia region. We believe that considering and adopting this document will help promote the practical implementation of international initiatives from the Central Asian countries that are reflected in the outcome document of the consultative meeting of the heads of state of Central Asia, which took place on the 6th of August 2021 in Turkmenistan. Turkmenistan reiterates its proposal to create a zone of peace, trust and cooperation in the Central Asia and Caspian region. We consider this model to be a platform for promoting initiatives aimed at strengthening multilateral cooperation in the interests of global peace and development. Today, the eyes of the world are fixed on Afghanistan. The situation there is not easy. The emerging institutions of power and society are extremely fragile, and therefore, when interpreting and assessing the situation in the country, we need to be extremely consistent, balanced, and responsible, both in words and deeds. The realities in Afghanistan have changed, and when coming up with approaches to Afghanistan, all ideological preferences, old grievances, phobias, and stereotypes should be set aside. We must instead first and foremost think of the Afghan people who are tired of war and turmoil and who are of course dreaming of a peaceful and calm life.